The ultimate gut health meal. First, I'm going to use wild rice. It's easily digestible, high in protein and fiber, which helps promote digestion and keep cholesterol levels in check. And vitamins, minerals, nutrients, antioxidants, gluten-free, low calorie, lowers your sugar level, and plays a role in keeping your mitochondria in your cells healthy. First, I rinse and add water. Turn on my rice cooker, and as I wait for it to cook, I'm going to make me my gut healthy yogurt. If you combine Greek yogurt and vegetables and spices, you get the complete food for your gut health, found in Greek yogurt. These are known as probiotics, and you can find probiotics in living organisms in other types of fermented food like wild rice. And the tomatoes, cucumbers, chilies, finely diced red onions, salt, cumin seeds all contain prebiotics, a type of fiber. The prebiotics in the spices and vegetables act as a fertilizer for the probiotics in the yogurt. The probiotics in the yogurt feed of the prebiotic fibers in the vegetables. You can't really digest prebiotics, but in your gut, the probiotics can, and they end up pooping out something known as postbiotics. And postbiotics bacterial poop are the gut-friendly chemicals like short-chain fatty acids. Prebiotics plus probiotics equals postbiotics, the complete gut meal. I like to put this all on my savory dishes as a side dish, including my kimchi. Kimchi is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that promotes a healthy gut microbiome. These probiotics can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and protect against gastrointestinal disorders, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Bone health. Kimchi is a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. So many great things, and that's another video topic. Now I'm going to cook my eggs. If you're going to eat eggs, you want organic and pasteurized. If you want to know the history of farm of the egg, I have a website to go to, www.cornucopia.org. They have a rating system for eggs so you can find out which farms are the best. What I've studied is that the protein in the eggs is superior. The anabolic effect, which means the ability effect of the egg to help build protein tissues in your body, and the percentage of how much that egg protein is converted into the body proteins like your muscles, your joints, the protein in eggs is at 48. So 48% is turning into the body tissue. Meat and fish is only 32. Soy protein is only 17%. Egg white is only 17% as well. Whey protein is only 16%. The other parts of the protein is converted into glucose and used as fuel. Whole eggs with cholesterol have a much lower insulin effect than egg whites. So, the more that you take a fat out and have it as a pure protein, as in whey protein, the higher the insulin spike. Eggs are great for your brain, helps break down cholesterol, so it's a good antidote for gallstones, fatty liver. Eggs have a vitamin K2, which keeps the calcium out of the arteries and keeps the calcium out of the joints. And eggs also have vitamin D, so you have vitamin D and K2 working together. Eggs also have vitamin E. Vitamin E is good for your heart, skin, and are loaded with vitamin a bioavailable, and it's called retinol. So these pigments in the vitamin A complex are yellow-orange. So the deeper the color, the more vitamin A you're going to get. And eggs have omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs have tons of vitamin B. Vitamins 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. So for me, I'm going to continue to consume my entire egg yolk. And all plus, it's delicious.